A very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Liana Rose Francis again, doing my course in CSE Cybersecurity Second Sem Section Galpin. Today, I'm going to talk about Introduction to C language. So the subject for today is POP, that is Principles of Programming Using C. Let's talk about the C language. C is a procedural programming language initially developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972 at Bell Laboratories of AT&T Labs. It was mainly developed as a system programming language to write the Unix operating system. Now here, this is Dennis Ritchie. He is also called as the father of software. Now this is a very popular language despite being old too. The main reason for its popularity is because of its flexibility, fundamental language in the field of computer science. Let's talk about features of C. The main features of the C language include general purpose and portable, low-level memory access, fast speed, clean syntax. These features make the C language suitable for system programming like an operating system or compiler development. There are more features of it. We'll discuss it in the next slide. So these are the more features. So they are portable, they are mid-level, they are structured, they have a rich library, they are extensible, recursion, they have pointers, is faster, and memory management is much better, and it's very simple. Now, why do we have to learn C? C language, it is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. We discussed that earlier. If you know C, you will have no problem learning other programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, etc. As the syntax is similar, C is very fast compared to other programming languages like Java and Python. C is very versatile. It can be used in both applications and technologies. Let's talk about the difference between C and C++. Most of the people get confused between C and C++. They are not the same language, they are two different languages. So the C++ was created to add the object-oriented programming concepts into C language. So they both have very similar syntax, but both are a bit different from each other. Following are some main differences between C and C++ programming language. C++ supports object-oriented programming paradigm, while C only have procedural concept of programming. C++ have exception handling capabilities. In C we have to resolve manually. There are no references in C. Coming to the structure of a C program. The basic structure of a C program is divided into 6 parts, which makes it easy to read, modify, document, and understand in a particular format. C program must follow the below mentioned outline in order to successfully compile and execute. Debugging is an easier in a well-structured C program. Sections of the C program we discussed, there are 6 parts. The first one is documentation, second is preprocessor section, third is definition, fourth is global declaration, fifth is main function, and the sixth is subprograms. Now they are responsible for the proper execution of a program. Now let's discuss each section briefly. First one is documentation. This section, it consists of the description of the program, the name of the program, and the creation, the date and time of the program. It is specified at the start of the program in form of comments. Documentation can be represented as represented as with 2 double slash description. You can put like my name is Liana Rose Francis. Then after that you can put the date, the time of the program, or you can put your program's name also. Second section is preprocessor section. All the header files of the program will be declared in the preprocessor section of the program. Header file help us to access others improved code into our code. A copy of this multiple files is inserted into a program before the process of compilation. So for example, hashtag include stdio.h and hashtag include mat.h. stdio is nothing but standard library input and output function, and math is where you get all the math functions such as sqrt, power functions. All the mathematical operations which you want to perform is there in this header file. Third thing is global declaration. This global declaration section contains global variable, function declaration, and variables and functions which are declared in the scope and can be used anywhere in this program. So for example, int num is equal to 18. Coming to the fourth section, definition. Preprocessors are the program that process our source code before the process of compilation. There are multiple steps which are involved in the writing and execution of the program. Preprocessor directors start with the hashtag symbol. The hashtag define processor is used to create a constant throughout the program. Whenever this name is encountered by the compiler, it is replaced by the actual piece of defined code. So for example, hashtag define long ll. Next one, fifth is main function. Main function is a function you give in every program. Every program consists of the main function. So for C also it has the main function. We use void main or int main. Next is sixth section is subprograms. User defined functions are called in this section of the program. The control of the program is shifted to the call function whenever they call from the main or outside the main function. These are specified as per the requirements of the programmer or the user. For example, int sum, int in brackets int x comma int y. Then after that you start the flower brackets, then return x plus y. So you get the sum of x plus y. So this is the example of the structure of program. So hashtag include stdio.h as we discussed, that is the header. Int main in brackets void, that is the main function. Then printf hello world. So this is a output statement where you get the output on the screen, and return 0, this is a return statement. So this gives the output as hello world. Coming to the last and final topic, that is applications of C. First one, operating systems. C is widely used for developing operating systems such as Unix, Linux and Windows. Second, embedded systems. C is a popular language for developing embedded systems such as microcontrollers, microprocessors and other electronic devices. System software. C is used for developing system software such as device drivers, compilers and assemblers. Networking. C is widely used for developing networking applications such as web servers, network protocols and network drivers. Database system. C is used for developing database systems such as Oracle, MySQL and PostgreSQL. Gaming. C is often used for developing computer games due to its ability to handle low-level hardware interactions. Next one is artificial intelligence. C is used for developing artificial intelligence and machine learning applications such as neural networks and deep learning algorithms. Scientific application. C is used for developing scientific applications such as simulation software and numerical analysis tools. Financial application. C is used for developing financial applications such as stock market analysis and trading system. So these are the applications of C. So now we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.